Hi, hello, it's been a minute. I've got a new keyboard and I'm very excited about it. I'm about to rainbowify my computer and this is one of the last steps of it and I'm so excited. So let's just get on to it. So as you can see, I have a very boring black hand-me-down keyboard and I am very excited for this one. It is the Sakura Jelly keyboard from Akko, and I'm just really excited. It looks very rainbow. It literally looks like a jelly cube. There's nothing better. So let's just open this up. And the keyboard, oh my gosh. It's got a nice weight to it. This is so pretty. The layers, just everything about it. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to see what it looks like when it lights up. That is what I'm most excited for right now. So I will unplug mine, turn on my computer, and see what it looks like. Alright, so I have never actually bought such a nice keyboard before, so I don't know the steps of lighting it up. I don't know if it's just a plug-in and it'll do it. I have plugged this in, so I'm just going to start by plugging this in. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, it's so vivid. I was kind of afraid that with the pink tint, the rainbow wouldn't be as vivid, but I'm so glad that I went with this. It's so pretty. I also got different keycaps, so that's going to be cool. I also heard that you can change the direction of the rainbow, but I just wanted to make sure that it lit up and that it worked correctly before, you know, anything went too far. I am so excited. This is so exciting. This is just amazingly exciting for me. I'm like hands shaking, you know? Also, if you were wondering, I got the Gatoron Orange just because I know everybody was saying that they like the pink better, but I like the feel of these. I think I'm going to do the keycaps next. So the beautiful keycaps that I got are from Kraken Keyboards. It's their like rainbow popcorn, and I saw these and I fell in love. When I tell you I've been looking for keycaps that are my style for so long and just couldn't find any that were vivid enough or that were as ridiculous as I wanted, it was literal, like I was looking for 2 years in preparation, and then I finally found these and I was like, oh my god, these are perfect. They're perfect. So I cannot wait to use these. I don't know, again, this is my first time like doing any of this. I don't know if I should open this first and put these in here just so they stay organized. Okay, so I have opened him up. So I guess my first thing is just get the escape key out. I don't know the correct way of doing this. Oh, there we go. These keycaps are actually really pretty, they're just not what I want. And then I think all you have to do is push it down somehow. Did I get it? I think I got it. I love that this keycap set comes with red as well. A lot of the rainbows that I was seeing did not have red, and I was like, why? on it. Okay, so I could not for the life of me get some of this gunk off. I tried a little bit of water, and then I also tried some rubbing alcohol. I don't know if it'll focus. So that kind of sucks. I don't know if it's burnt. It doesn't seem like it's burnt. But, yeah. Kind of sucks because this is the way I'll see the key. I'll see it with that edge. I don't know, maybe I'll be able to fix it later. My spacebar is chipped. I don't know if it can show. Sucks. Like a lot. He is officially rainbow-fied, and I can't wait to light it up. But before I do that, I do want to say, as much as I enjoy these keycaps and they are everything I ever dreamed for, I'm a little disappointed by some of the things that happened to them. Like the F12 had the piece of gunk on it that I can't get off that I can see. Even though it's on the bottom edge, I can see it while looking at the keyboard. And also the spacebar corner being chipped, which is very visible to me, and it just makes me mildly upset. I don't know if I'd ever replace the spacebar. I quite like it. I could buy a rainbow spacebar. I do not know when that will happen, and it would suck to have to replace the spacebar just because it's chipped, instead of just having the choice to. Let's just plug it in yet again. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. This keyboard is literally me in a keyboard. And it's beautiful. I just want to stare at it for the rest of eternity.
So I filmed this quite a while ago and didn't edit it until now, which is almost a year later, and I do have some stuff to share about the keycaps now that it's been so long. So, the spacebar did annoy me a lot more than I initially thought it would, but it's because it's the biggest key. It's right in the front. The corner is chipped. Every time it lights up, I see it. I did try to flip it upside down because I saw that some people even prefer it that way more, but I just hated it. It just felt weird and clunky. I've thought about putting clay on that corner, but then I'd have to color match and everything, so I've just never gotten around to trying that. After I filmed this, I did try to contact the company through email multiple times to see if there was any way to get a replacement spacebar, and I just never got a response. I was expecting them to say, sorry, we can't do anything about it, you get what you get, but I was disappointed that they just didn't say anything at all. And then I went to their Instagram and I saw quite a few more people commenting the more extreme issues that they had with the company, which were met with no responses either because the company seems to never respond to any comments on Instagram. So at that point, I kind of just gave up any hope that I would be able to get a replacement key that matches the set that I already have, or even a sorry that happened with our product message. I do like the overall quality of the keycaps, just not the quality control or customer service. I don't think I can fully recommend buying from Kraken Keyboards because of this. It seems like if you buy from them and you never have to contact them because they got your order correct the first time, you'll be happy with them because they're pretty good keycaps as far as I'm aware. I don't know anything about their keyboards. But if you have to contact them because you're not happy with something or because something went wrong, you're probably not going to have the best experience with them. As a side note, I still love the Akko Sakura Jelly keyboard and would definitely recommend it to anybody who wants either like a pink pastel type of keyboard or a vivid rainbow like I went for. It's held up nicely through this past year and I have no concerns with it so far. And that is all for my ending notes.
Alright, so that's probably going to be about it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed my journey onto getting a rainbow keyboard. I've always wanted one. Any links that were helpful to me, any product links or videos that I used while trying to figure this all out will be down in the description below, and thank you for watching!